Hi, this is Tariq here from stockoptionexpert.com. This is in real time, April 3rd, 2015, massive move here. So this one, Apple, it's at horizontal support here. If you look at this formation closely, this is like a bullish tweezers here. Double, these two candles formed a bullish formation. You have to look at so many things here. If you follow us, you know us. If we are consistent, because we take all these charts, options flow, and the levels reading experience gives us the big money that we make. This is what it has been doing. It formed this two bullish formation, and then we saw calls were coming in from yesterday. If you follow me on stock tweets, this is a post from from yesterday at 3 o'clock. Even before that, I had a few posts here. Aapl, the first one I posted at May 2nd. You can see clearly here at 12:39, saying that intraday double bottom in 10-minute chart. That's when it started to create in 10-minute chart. If you go here, this was the level here. It started. This is when our initial alert came for our members. That we made 3-4 alerts here for our premium members in our chat room and in our Twitter premium, that this is setting up for a move. 92.50 today, nicely $95 here. And then look at this. I also told you guys, look at this. This is yesterday at 3:45. I said big calls were being bought because the short-term traders, they were targeting 93 93 calls for 51,000 calls volume. Whenever you see such a volume, you want to at least day trade this one. And you can see the action today, it continued upward from this 92.50, 93. This is up almost like $2.50, and so nicely my calls pushed up 100% near. I paid short-term one, so I got a bit aggressive because I saw a lot of call activity. Even this morning pre-market, I gave it to our folks, and this is working nicely. So if it holds if it holds this level here, it will probably come 98, easily can come up to 98 here. So I'm watching it next few days. Also, I think the selling pressure is down here. If you see all this bearish candle, I think it's kind of bit down, and some maybe it could be probably an oversold bounce. That's how I am seeing it, and I am playing day to day rather than trying to overread it and get screwed up. And the two of the sectors, this is not we come and we are one of the few. If you go in our stream, you should see it. The consistency. This is why we don't post one thing in one moment and next thing. This one we kept seeing put volume since last Friday. They kept adding put volume here, and this is my public account, not randomly coming and posting some XOP. Look at it. This is the chart I posted yesterday. In fact, the original alert came before that. The original alert came in our stock tweets account was that last week on May 29th, they have added 35 put volume, 10,000 contract. These puts are today this thing is down like 4%, and this puts are above 125% profit in short term, because this was a weekly block. You want to be with the smart money, you know. I mean, also you don't have much to lose because this is a weekly thing. It's not, you have to invest with little investment with the weeklies and you can make huge money. This is exploding. The whole sector is down. Look at it. What did I say? May 2nd, 9:59 a.m. and it was yesterday right at open. Sector is down as we saw bearish flow. The whole sector is down. Whenever you see in one of the biggest ETF bearish option flow, you want to be short with them, you know, like, so this is what happens. If you look at USO, it's down, XLE down. So all of them are pretty much down to 2.4%. So our put exploded again. This one, we nailed this one to short side. This has worked out pretty well. Another one, we saw put volume GDX. The whole gold sector is down today. Look at this beauty. Right at, it fell here. Right on the bounce, it fell. This is something you have to keep an eye. Right at the bounce, it fell. Yes, right at open. I just want to show some of our premium, how our public alerts are different from premium alerts. Just to this is what, look at our premium Twitter. So this is Option Expert Premium. If you follow me, you should know it. Right at open, this thing is down. GDX today what, 3%? Yesterday it was down another 2-3%, 6% plus down. This was put flow. You see, right at open, they started to hit 2000 put block, bought at 32 cents, 25 puts. And then look what I say put flow. And then the next message for our members, if you orth risking things, it's cheap. And then look today, it's orth it. Today, what happened to those puts? Those puts exploded today and big money today. The whole sector, the gold sector is down. Sorry, I want to gold. Look at this. Gold is down. Also NUGT is toasted. Look at this one. This is 3 times the inverse one. This crashed also. I had, this is like down 9%. This is amazing. This put just exploded, and how it go it went down. Aapl is the amazing one. This one really paid us fat. I just want to show you our notes here. Look at our beauty. You see this one, Aapl, May 2nd. Look at this. This is our premium note. Look at 850 from yesterday, right at open. What you caught at 2.9, so and since one then also it's not like we pick all winners. Sometimes we do have someone that gives us loss. Our target is always 70-75% winner. Feye, this one I expected a one, to be honest, and it is hanging around 50-day, and it did see big call by here, but today they are playing with it. It's a bit down. I think if it holds here, maybe again it became nice resistance. It can come back and test around here. If we are a bit weak here, I must admit, we have to see how it goes. It's down 2%. We saw call. So the smart money lost it. There is a small downtrend developed here. You see, you have to take it in consideration. So this one did not play out as expected, and many others. We just nailed it. Disney, we saw resistance yesterday. Disney, I believe it did pull back today against small money. GDX, big money. SPY, we saw mini support around 20 days critical, and today, and can we break it? This was the note yesterday. Another biggest play was TLT. TLT has some support here. If Invespa pulls back, and look at what happened to TLT. The bond has support. Yesterday we said it support at low here, around here, and it created a bearish candle. It seemed like it was going down, but because there was options volume, there was a 5,000 calls I traded yesterday, 2 days ago, so I knew it was going to go for a bounce. Yeah, today it kept up almost like $1.50 move. So this is a pretty much weak, pretty much strong bounce here after a weekday. How it reversed and made everyone full. If you go here, this develops a support here. So if bond holds, then that's bad for the market overall. This thing is just making everyone fool. I mean, this was our resistance level. When it failed here, it's in my 210.50, and I'm praying day to day, not every day, unless I am sure about the levels. But our resistance level 210 played out well. Right now it's trying to like hold around 205. If it got to hold into the job report on Friday, and otherwise this will come down and test 203.85 easily, 50-day moving average. So watching it closely and playing day by day options volume, this is just amazing. I'm keeping close one. It's my Aapl baby. It's holding nicely. So we're going to see how it plays out next few days. Taking profit. Nice. I logged 100% on my short term calls. Please share. Thank you.